3, and yes! Wonderful. Can I give a high five bus next and say you are awesome? I'm talking about your personal transformation. In your relationship, what is that you want to transform? In your money world, what is that you want to transform? In your health, what is that you want to transform? In the experiences that you have in your life, what is that you want to transform? Put an intention. But remember this again and again, what you give is what you get. What about the stress that you're adding every single day into your system? What are you doing to release it? You need to keep peeling yourself layer by layer, layer by layer. At one point of time, you'll feel there's nothing more to peel. I'm completely fine. Everything is resolved inside of me. But remember, as you go deeper and deeper, it will be painful. And it is for the good. Because all those problems that you have not resolved in your life shows up, pops up, and it is kind of intense. Would you like to take control back into your life? The best way to increase our energy in every particular aspect is always sharing. Filling myself with love. Full. I have so much love inside of me right now. Anybody who comes, what will I give them? Love. They're treating me badly. He does not have awareness. You will give him love, right? Which is human nature. Yes or no? And you will just keep going around. Whoever comes in your path, whoever comes in your way, even if they make mistakes, even if they are giving love, whatever it is, you will give them love, right? And this is possible only when you have love, self-love inside of you.
If I have to describe this program in one word,
it is insightful,
eye-opening, about my self-realization,
learning emotions,
enhancing the awareness about me and my whole body. It's an eye-opener.
it's result-oriented.
one of the best program I have attended so far.
And if you're someone that has trouble with their emotions, I definitely recommend this program.
I would say a must attend.